What's up guys? Google Map is an important factor when you go to travel somewhere. If you go somewhere and no internet but you want to use Google Map, then this video is just for you. So, welcome to my new episode. For using Google Map without internet, must you go to the map, open it, and here you must remember you should log in any Gmail. Without any Gmail account, you cannot go in Google Map. After going Google Map, go to left side setting button and scroll down, and you will find offline Google Map. Go to offline Google Map and you will find download option, and if you want to use without internet this Google Map, you should download this. After downloading, you will find the Google Map like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please like, comment and subscribe.